So hi guys and welcome back to class. Now last class I walked you through the Lumetri Color panel, and in this lesson I'll just be giving you simple and basic color correction techniques. So what is color correction? Color correction actually helps you to correct colors that you have shot or that has been more like they are flat, so you just need to correct them and get them ready to color grade. So like I said in our last class, we're going to be using the adjustment layer to continue color grading, and when you drag this, you're just going to stretch it to the duration of that clip you are trying to color correct. So what you majorly use for color correction is your lights panel. So the first thing you need to also do as well is grab the white balance and make sure that everything is on point, and you need to now start adjusting the exposure or the contrast, the highlights, shadows, white or black in your videos. So one of the things I always like to do is still work with exposure, and if I want this to be brighter, I can bring or drag them forward. So when I drag this forward, I go down to the blacks and reduce the blacks. I also change the shadows a little bit, bring it darker. I just love to maintain a clean image. Then I work with the contrast. I either bring this down or bring it down when I see the adjustment. Sometimes I take it forward to actually see the difference, and I think I like this one looks more sharper, everything is standing out. Then for the highlights too, which controls the bright areas, I would be reducing that a little to have a more realistic image and more visible image. Then for the white, I think I'm going to leave the white just the way it is, and then the exposure, I'll crank up the exposure just a little bit. And yes, that is how to color correct your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So bye for now, see you in the next lesson.